This is a demonstration for installing CameraMatch 2013 to Vectorworks 2013. This method of installation is very similar in earlier versions of CameraMatch and Vectorworks. For Vectorworks 2014, however, the installation method is different and uses a built-in plugins installer in Vectorworks. That method is covered in a separate video. Okay, so to get started, we download the file from the panzercad.com website. It's just a zip file that we've downloaded for CameraMatch, and we can open it or expand it. I'll just double click and open it here, and there's another folder here, CameraMatch folder. We want to open that as well. Okay, so in that folder we now have some installation instructions, a manual, and other files. One thing that's in there is the installation package, CameraMatch install package. That is actually for Vectorworks 2014. That's what the built-in installer will use. For CameraMatch 2013, we need to use this folder here. There's no need to open it. It just contains the plugin files themselves. Okay, so we need to find the location to copy this folder to. And the easiest way to do that is to go ahead and launch Vectorworks. Okay, so once we have Vectorworks running, we need to go to the Vectorworks Preferences in the Tools menu under Options, Vectorworks Preferences. Okay, so here we need to find the user folder. So we want to use the User Folder tab, and in there's a button called Explore, and when we click that, it'll actually bring the folder open on the desktop. So let's go ahead and click that, and here is that folder. So this is the Vectorworks user folder. This is the folder that keeps a lot of user-specific files, and that includes third-party plugins. So in there you'll see a folder called Plugins, and you can open that and you can see what's in there. And what we need to do is, let me cancel this and close that down. Okay, so now we have the plugins folder here. We have our CameraMatch plugins folder here that we need to copy to it. So you just need to select the panzercad CameraMatch 2013 folder and drag it over to the plugins folder. Okay, so that's it for the installation, but Vectorworks will not see that until you quit and restart it. So let's go ahead and exit out, and then we'll restart Vectorworks. And once you do that, Vectorworks will see the plugins, but they still will need to be added to the workspace using the workspace editor. That will be the next step, and that will be covered in a separate video.